Hey guys, here's something that happens sometimes. Sometimes when you're working with vector art, you have too many anchor points and your artwork looks a little jagged and unkempt. And so there are a few things you can do to clean that up. All right. So here we go. Let me show you. If I select this Vader image, look at how many pixels there are, anchor points there are around surrounding the different curves and things that are illustrated in the silhouette. Now, some little secret that you may or may not know is that the fewer anchor points you have, the smoother the artwork, the smoother the curve. And so a lot of times if you've done an illustration with a Sharpie, let's say, and you scan it and bring it into Illustrator and then you image trace it so you get your vector. A lot of times those drawings are not as smooth and precise as a pen tool drawing. And so you have a lot of jagged edges and too many anchor points. All right. So let's try cleaning this up a little bit. One of the things you can do is up under the object menu, there is a simplify feature. And if I go object path, there is simplify and there is smooth. And they do similar things. Let's try simplify first. If I click on path simplify, I get this little slider. And this little context slider allows me to either toggle my artwork so that it goes a little bit simpler, less anchor points, or a little more jagged with more anchor points and more detail. It's very subtle, and you may not even be able to see it on my screen where it's kind of adjusting. It already did it kind of automatically when I selected it. But this little slider is meant to help you simplify your art and smooth it out. And if I do it really dramatically, you can kind of see how it really smooths out all the rough edges. So if I click undo and go back to what it was in the beginning, let's try the other one, which is smooth. So simplify removes anchor points and it kind of averages out the line so it makes it smoother. I mean, simpler. Smoother, on the other hand, tries to get rid of those highs and lows, those rough points. So if I move from the left over to the right, you can see how it smooths it out. And if I zoom out, you can kind of see what it did to Darth if I let go. This is the result. This is before, you know, and this is after. So you can really see kind of the side by side where it really does smooth it out and simplify it. Sometimes you want that. Sometimes you want something to look a little less distinct and crisp, and you want to smooth it out. And so that little feature is a quick way to alter your artwork and to fix it. Another thing you can do, let me zoom in here on a spot. If you need to, you have to, and you just can't get around one of these corners or something. I'm going to zoom in close so you can see. I may just have to do a little surgery. And that one I like to do with the pen tool myself, where I just go in with the pen tool and then I hover over the offending anchor point and I just get rid of it. I just remove it. Sometimes you have those little artifacts, and the best thing to do is just to go in and do a little surgery. But overall, if you want to use one of those simplify or smoothing features, it helps smooth out the rough edges and makes a clean and crisp uh, little vector for you. All right, there's your tip.